Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone and welcome to Psychology Word 10 channel. In this video I will talk about goals of psychology. So there are basically four goals of psychology. They are description, explanation, prediction and control. Let's talk about them one by one. First, we have description. In description, we answer the question, what is happening? So, the first task in psychology is to observe the behavior very carefully and to describe it objectively. And in the second goal, which is explanation, we answer the question, why is it happening? Psychologists want explanation and try to understand the reason why after behavior. They want to find out why the behavior is occurring. So the third goal of psychology is prediction. In this goal, psychologists ask the question when, why, how will the behavior occur in the future. Fourth goal of psychology is control or to modify the behavior. Here the question, how can it be changed? In this fourth goal, psychologists deal with controlling the behavior or stopping or making the behavior happen and starting the new behavior and influence it quality and strength of the new behavior. These are the four goals of psychology, and there is one extra goal, which is improving the quality of life of a client. Many psychological findings are applied to solve the human problem and promote the well-being. So thank you so much for watching this video.